name is Ashish. So today we will learn the text functions in Power BI. So text functions are dynamic expressions which we use to create calculated columns in Power BI, right? So first we will learn about the concatenate functions. So before applying concatenate functions into the Power BI, first we will learn how to apply it into the Excel sheet. So let's open the Excel sheet. So here you can see there are two columns, C and D. If we have to concatenate these two cells, means this if we write the name of this column is first name and this D column as last name. So if you have to concatenate these two columns into third one, then how would you do that in Excel? So this is the formula in Excel. First you choose the C cell, then and this is this sign we use for concatenate. This we use for to give the space. Then again ampersand and then this. You can see that these two cells has concatenate here. Okay, so the same thing. So how to do the same thing into the Power BI, that we will learn today. So let's open the Power BI desktop. This is the data view, and here we will concatenate this country and this cell 1950. So how to do that? First click here at data 1, then create new column. This will create new column. Okay, so we will give some name to this column as concatenate. So we can know that this column we have created for concatenate functions. Okay, so we will start with the open bracket, and we have to concatenate this country. So we will write this country and it will automatically give you the table name here, sorry, column names in that table. Then we will use this function to concatenate and give the space in between then ampersand, then again open bracket, and we have to add this column with that country column. So we will choose this column only, yeah, and enter. So this will create a new column which will name as concatenate, and this will concatenate these two columns into third one, which is concatenate. See this. Yeah. In the next video we will learn other Power BI DAX functions. Yeah, so do subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.